Today, once again, I am here in front of you with an incredible activity. This is first time on our channel. Okay, if you really want to learn English, this type of activities are going to help you out. Okay, and if you try it with your full heart, I'm damn sure you can improve your English. Okay, it is real time talk actually. नॉर्मली वॉट हैपन यू स्पीक ऑन द टॉपिक. नहीं, आज कोई टॉपिक नहीं है, आज एक अलग ही चीज़ है, उस पर आपको बात करना है. एंड लेट मी टॉक अबाउट एवरी ईयर यू नो इन इंडिया समवेयर अराउंड 70 to 80,000 people die in road accident. I mean bike riders die in road accidents. Okay, and they have only one thing to protect them, and that is this beautiful product. Okay, and today you will demonstrate it, you will speak about this helmet, and you need to guide the people to buy, you need to convince the people to buy helmet and wear helmet while driving the bike. So I don't want to give my speech today, let's talk about it now. Can I have some students on the stage? Okay, so how will you talk? Okay, you will talk about its body, you will talk about this body part, you will talk about this ventilation, you will talk about this brand, you will talk about this color. Okay, let's talk and try to advertise this helmet. And ladies and gentlemen and my beautiful viewers, these people are very new and they are just trying, they will make mistakes in grammar maybe, don't take it otherwise, just trying to improve their English. Thank you very much. Now I want to call bhai gir gaya bhai, accident ho raha hai. Okay, I'm going to call Mr. Shadab. Shadab, please start.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to talk about this life-saving helmet. This helmet helps us save your life. This helmet's color very amazing. This color's bright black. This helmet has transparent glass. This glass also helps us see clearly. This helmet has ventilation. This ventilation helps us in the hot weather, in the cool our head. Your head is cool, you drive safely. So आप जब भी खरीदे, जहाँ भी खरीदे, हमारा प्रोडक्ट खरीदे.
Good job. Yes, that's great. कह रहे हैं जब भी खरीदे, जहाँ भी खरीदे, हमारा प्रोडक्ट खरीदे. And I mean to say this
Estert.
brand Estert. Okay, yes. And Estert company Bale. Okay, if you want to do something for us, just do write a comments if you watch my videos. Thank you very much. Well, so did you see? Did you like it? Okay, you must like it because this is so beautiful way to teach English. Okay, and you know we are trying to learn a language. So language में कुछ तो बात करना पड़ेगा. So today my product is helmet. Okay, so let's talk about it. I'm not going to talk, don't worry, my student will talk. And Mr. Brajesh, please, you're most welcome here and explaining the product.
Hello guys, I am from a stud company. You can see the helmet. It can save your life because when you wear this helmet, it protects your head. And one thing I want to tell you that head is most important part of our body.
Yes.
So must purchase this helmet. And I want to describe about this helmet. Why you want to purchase this helmet? You can see this transparent glass. It saves your eyes from dust.
Good.
Remember it.
Yes.
And one thing, it helps you when you feel it can hit me. It saves you.
Right.
And one thing is available in a stud company. You can't find it another. But in this company, in this helmet, you find a here air system. When you feel hot, you can use this. Right? And one most thing I want to tell you. You can watch this red. This is not only red thing. It when you are driving, when you are riding, it reflects. When someone light by backside, it red color is most important for dancer, for inform other people that someone is there. It is most important thing, and you can find in a stud company. You must purchase, and one thing, and also it is available in front. It also reflects when some lights come, and someone can save your life and yourself also. And it's black color, it is matchable for every bike color. So you must purchase this, and you can see how it saves you. It can saves you. It is adjustable, you can look here. It is so adjustable according to your height, according to your size, you can use it, right? It is the belt what you can adjust and use by your choice. So must purchase this helmet.
So this is premium quality. Do you see the premium quality? Everybody, do you see the premium quality? And one more thing in the back side. Where is that, sir? Oh, this is great, okay? The sign of protection, ISI mark, okay? And this is in this helmet, okay? So please, ladies and gentlemen, whenever you ride a bike, wear helmet. आप भी पहनो, पीछे वाली को भी पहनाओ, ओके? या दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. कि होता क्या है कि ड्राइवर राइडर wears the helmet, but the person, खास करके ladies, okay, who are sitting in the back side, they do not wear helmet because they want to show their hair style. That is not good, okay? Hair style कल भी ठीक कर लीजिएगा, अभी हेलमेट पहन लीजिए, because you want to protect yourself, your family members and everyone. Thank you very much. Next student is coming onto the stage to demonstrate this beautiful product, okay? And that man is Mr. Gautam. Please come here. All right, Mr. Gautam, please come here. All right. Excuse me, don't delay, come fast. All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, please show the helmet. Are you looking wow? Yeah. It is my safety
Yes.
on drive time.
Right.
Today, I am speak in this helmet. I will speak is helmet. Helmet is so beautiful and so beautiful color, and white, black, and your choice color. Go to market, go to my company, and white, red, your favorite color.
Yes.
Please come in my company and buy purchase my helmet. Helmet name is so.
Start.
And premium quality. Quality the best. Best you drive is the best. See the transparent glass. See your clearly road. He is a ventilator and cool hair and your cool mind and you cool drive on the road. Please come here in my district, in my company details here. Thank you so much.
Okay. I understand this thing for the first time on my channel, okay? And on our channel. Please, our viewers, you must watch the videos completely and like it right now. And if you want to share with your family members, friends and all the relatives, okay? Last student is coming and his name is Mr. Lalit, okay? Lalit, please come and demonstrate this beautiful product, okay? Come fast. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm Lalit from Stud Company. the company send me to in Begusarai. You sell the helmet. You sell the helmet, more items. So I say you about this helmet. This helmet is very strong. It don't destroy your heads. When put helmets, the helmets help to save your head. This is illuminated stud. This is illuminated color. He brights on road in front and back to other riders that say कि one rider has gone in front of you. So please listen to me and always wear helmets, etc. This is only one company. This is only one company certified ISI marka. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now lastly, keep the mic. Okay, all right. So the message is very vivid and very clear. What is that? The message is very vivid and very clear that drive with helmet. Wear a helmet, then only ride a bike. If you really care your family members and yourself, helmet is your great life partner. Thank you for